5 Genius Ways to Make Money from Home Using AI. Are you ready to transform your financial future and enhance your self-wellness all from the comfort of your home? With AI technology driving new opportunities, making money from home has never been more accessible or exciting. In this video, we'll explore 5 genius ways to harness the power of AI for self-improvement and money empowerment. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a curious beginner, these strategies will set you on the path to financial freedom and personal growth. Let's dive in. 1. Freelance AI-Based Services. The first strategy for making money from home involves offering freelance services powered by AI. Here's how you can use AI tools to boost your income and elevate your self-improvement journey. AI-powered content creation. Platforms like Jasper and Copy.ai can help you craft engaging blog posts, social media content, and marketing materials. Businesses are constantly seeking fresh content, and with AI, you can deliver it with efficiency and creativity. AI-driven data analysis. Tools like Google Analytics and Tableau enable you to provide valuable insights and analysis for companies. AI can help you interpret complex data, empowering you to offer strategic advice and improve your skills in data science. Chatbot development. Create and customize chatbots with platforms like ManyChat or ChatFuel. By setting up intelligent chatbots for businesses, you not only provide a valuable service but also enhance your technical expertise and problem-solving skills. 2. AI-powered online courses. Creating and selling online courses is another fantastic way to generate income from home. AI can enhance the learning experience and support your self-improvement goals. Here's how to leverage AI for your online education business. Find your niche. Focus on a specific area of AI that interests you, such as machine learning or AI applications in business. Develop a course that addresses this niche and helps others improve their skills. Utilize AI tools. Platforms like Thinkific and LearnWorlds can help you design interactive and personalized courses. AI can tailor the learning experience to individual needs, boosting engagement and effectiveness. To market your courses, use AI-driven marketing tools like HubSpot or MailChimp to reach your target audience. These tools optimize your campaigns, ensuring you connect with those who are most interested in self-improvement and AI education. 3. AI-enhanced e-commerce. Starting an e-commerce store from home can be highly profitable with AI tools at your disposal. Here's how to use AI to elevate your online retail business and achieve financial success. Product recommendations. Implement AI-driven recommendation engines from platforms like Algolia or Dynamic Yield. These tools analyze customer behavior and suggest products, driving sales and enhancing the shopping experience. AI-powered chatbots. Integrate chatbots into your e-commerce site to handle customer inquiries, support, and transactions. This not only improves customer service but also reduces the need for extensive support staff. Smart inventory management. Use AI tools like NetSuite or TradeGecko for intelligent inventory management. These tools forecast demand, optimize stock levels, and help you manage resources efficiently. 4. AI-driven stock market analysis. For those interested in investing, AI can be a game changer. Here's how to use AI to empower your financial decisions and enhance your investment strategy. Algorithmic trading. Utilize AI algorithms for automated trading strategies based on market trends. Platforms like QuantConnect and Alpaca offer AI-driven trading solutions to help you optimize your investment decisions. Sentiment analysis. Tools like Sentify and Axern use AI to analyze market sentiment from news and social media. This insight can guide your investment choices and improve your market strategy. Risk management. AI tools can assess historical data and predict potential market risks. This helps you make informed decisions and manage your investments more effectively. 5. AI-powered social media content creation. Finally, leveraging AI for social media can significantly boost your income potential. Here's how to use AI to enhance your social media presence and achieve financial empowerment. Automated content generation. AI tools like Lately.ai can create engaging social media posts and ads. These tools analyze your previous content to suggest new posts that resonate with your audience. AI-driven analytics. Platforms like Sprout Social and Hootsuite provide AI-powered insights into your social media performance. Use these insights to refine your strategy and maximize your impact. Content scheduling. Tools like Buffer or SocialBee use AI to automate your social media posts. This ensures consistent engagement without the need for constant manual updates. Are you ready to harness the power of AI and start making money from home? Dive into these strategies and see how AI can enhance your self-improvement journey and financial success. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights on leveraging technology for personal growth and money empowerment. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.